Yo, I haven't wrote a song in a while. I guess I've been down. Guess I didn't have the energy to pick a pen up. Shit, I barely have the energy to crack smiles. Similar to back in the class, I was barely gonna pass with a flask full of Jack and a book full of raps and an ear full of laughs. Similar to back when I barely had some money for the gas. Asked pops if I could borrow the car today. Someone asked me to be on a song today, and they said I could do a couple shows with them if I help them sell a couple tickets at the mall today. But hey, I know you wanna see me keep a job, keep school first, blah blah blah, but all I got is this one shot, and I'm taking it to the top. I finally gotta load up another box in this Penske truck. Fuck that, cause next year the rent be up. Fuck that, and my bank is empty, bruh. Fuck that, the world trying to set me up. Fuck that, so I bounce back like jumping jacks. Take a pull, let's see how my lungs react. And I don't give a fuck if it kills the brain, because reality itself is killing me, man. So I need an ounce of weed in the house for me. Every day when I wake up, a hippie bitch with no makeup, who loves to fucking roll J's up, fat ass and low A cups. You know just what I'm saying, cuz. And I'm like, fuck 15 minutes. I'm trying to live infinite. I don't got a big yacht. My legacy's all I got. So I called 3 bitches and my dealer on the same sale. Told her pull up to the something place hotel. Felt like I had maids in the room. Girl cleaning dust off the surface like brooms. Shit, you know I gotta start my day off with a shot. Cheese eggs in the middle of the pot. Throw a little leather on the wrist. About 4 rings on the fist, bitch. Why I need to watch it? It's always my time. Even back before the young man got signed. Even back before the mixtapes got heard. I was in the streets, fuck being online. And if you won't turn up, we can turn up like a motherfucker. I paid 50 for a shot, like fuck it. Small price when you keep it 100. Shooting dice on the red carpet, getting blunted. Never changed for the public. Y'all look disgusting. Look at me courtside next to Kate Upton. Look at me pouring 5 cups of white Russian. Speaking of which, bitch, I just came through customs. And speaking of which, I've been dreaming of this to redeem all those years I was treated like shit to receive the awards that my peers seem to get. Received a convertible top on this wheel. Bitch, I feel like fifth. Time to get rich and die trying. Tired of heating grilled cheese up on my iron. It's time to get 3 hoes or more Frankie Lime. And the weed man could call it good timing. Cause I need an ounce of weed in the house for me. Every day when I wake up, bitch. I need some Hennessy in the house for me every day when I wake up. Kells.
YouTube.com/Tim Westwood TV. Yo, it's Tim Westwood TV, up at Capital Extra. Let's get into the crazy freestyle. Machine Gun Kelly. Let's go.
Hey yo, I'ma make this verse out of every artist's name who inspired me in the game. See if y'all can count how many I name. Kells. They don't wanna see a real motherfucker winning. All the great style, but they still want living. I spit reality when all the music now's gimmicks. It's kinda foul to see that what we do is all image, but I really lit as Jimi Hendrix and my lyrics hit him. Then Bob Dylan, that's why I ain't on the television. Cause a premonition of John Lennon said the second you preaching the message is the minute you Zeppelin. That means on the stairway to heaven I go back to the 2 family homes where my daddy's cologne would cover up the fact we Rolling Stone. I got places to roam, reading through a text on my phone from Billy Joe saying you are the next Joey Ramone. Smoking chili peppers out of bomb. Ketis recognized the tattoo on my arm and said flee and told him about my songs. I turn around, what's it going by? Getting gnarly with Marley, smoking body, tripping in the party with Steve Jobs. And they say we need marriages in our life. Fuck that, tell my bitch I'm a Maryland tonight. Ringside yelling to Muhammad during the fight. Sitting next to Big and Puff, bad boys for life. Black flags and dice, hashtags and flights. Red pants and Nikes, a black pen and the mic. Cleveland, my city, I tat that for life. Real people with me, haters, hashtag and type. Trash bags of ice, we feeling this motherfucker. Me and Hove buying bottles and spilling this motherfucker. Her Nas even brought Lauryn Hill in this motherfucker. Like, good goddamn, they feeling this motherfucker. Pac said I live thug life. Aaliyah on my arm, boy, I got a thug wife. Drug nights with Nicki, 6, now he's on a heroin binge. Me and Morris are snorting anything we touching again. And I'm a sex pistol, everything I said vicious. I'm making Johnny Cash, haters eat my Limp Biscuit. Fuck with it, a good riddance, your decision. But I will Smith and Wesson anyone on my opposition. And all these critics refrain from speaking my name. And these newer artists feel the same, they Nicolas Cage. Meaning gone in 60 seconds, get up out my way. If I ain't critically acclaimed, y'all clinically insane. Bitch, I ain't ashamed of where I'm from. I'm not ashamed, I'm not a trophy father's trophy son. I'm not ashamed, I got a daughter and support her. Instead of being the baller flaunting every dollar, bitch, I'm barbecuing cause I'm A1. I can't front, this life we live is a blessing. Dreaming about the future, but every day is a present. Whether they accept my music or they try to forget, it's here forever, bitch, I'm a motherfucking living legend. Feel that? Yeah, this beat, I killed that. Kanye made the beat, let him heal that. Let him heal that. Let him heal that. Yeah, now they say Jesus walks, and I say I'm so high I can't hear Jesus talk. Tim West, what's up? Kale's the motherfucking next up, Young Gunner. Yeah. Let him eat on that, motherfucker. Living legend. Kales. That had to be like 50 names, man.
YouTube.com/Tim Westwood TV.